Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn on how to set default picture wrapping to always stay in front of text in Microsoft Word. This stops Word from completely breaking your layout margins or shifting your paragraphs around unpredictably whenever you drop a new image into your document. First, open Microsoft Word. Look at the top left corner of the interface menu and click on File. Move to the absolute bottom of the left-hand navigation sidebar panel and select Options. A detailed configuration window will pop up on your screen. Click on the Advanced tab located near the middle of the sidebar list. Scroll down through the Advanced Properties layout until you reach the section explicitly headed Cut, Copy, and Paste. Locate the specific setting labeled Insert/Paste Pictures As and click its drop-down choice menu on the right. Select In Front of Text from the configuration list to override the rigid default layout rule. Click the OK button at the bottom of the options box to save your global preferences and instantly update the software behavior. From now on, any graphic asset you drag and drop into your project workspace will float freely over your text layers right away. And that's it. Your automatic picture tracking layout is now completely optimized and active. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.